crafters, it's your girl again with another video. Today's video, you guys are going to be working with me. We're going to be processing orders, we're going to be packaging orders, we're going to be shipping out orders. You can see the orders over there. I have all of this over here. We're going to be doing all of that together. So if you want to pack some orders with me, let's get into it.
So I'm gonna start off by packing up the shirts, and when I'm done with the shirts, I'm gonna go ahead and pack the tutu up. So um the clear bag that I used, I bought it from Amazon. Um for the most part, I usually buy most of my supplies from Amazon, and but my laundry instructions, I actually made that on Canva. And yeah, so what I usually do, I usually just put the hair bow in the shirts, like, put it on the shirts, then pack it up. I got a cold, if you guys can notice, like you can hear from my voice. I got a cold. I've been sick for some days, so I'm just fighting as much as I can. So but anyways, I'm just gonna have you guys watch me as I work. But one thing is, I just want to use this time to encourage those of you that are still trying to start this business. I'm gonna tell you that you have nothing to lose. I'll say go ahead and start, because you have no idea how much you're leaving on the table. So um start like this year or early next year. It's going to be 2024, and we don't want to just sit down and be procrastinating. 2024 is not a year of procrastination anymore. So just start from somewhere. I have a video on how to start your business, how to start a tutu business, if that's what you want to do, or you want to do a t-shirt business, or you want to do the both of them. Because this business, tutu business and t-shirt, is like two business in one in my book. Because when they buy the tutu, when they order the whole outfit, you have to make the t-shirt as well. So if that's your route, that's good. That's a great, that's really great. But I'll say start from somewhere. So I have videos on all of them, on how to make tutu and how to make the shirts as well. And not just make tutu, make shirt, but also I have video on what you need to make your tutus, and all the things that you need to make your shirt. And I also have video on all the things I wish I knew before I started. So all of those videos are gonna help you out to make your decisions, and help you out for to start, basically. So yeah, I have a lot of orders. I am just trying to do what I can do. So yeah, it's been busy. Thankful to God, my business just turned 1 year old, and your girl is excited. So this tagging gun I actually got from Amazon. I can't remember the amount. So you can literally get that from Amazon. My packing sleeves really helps me out to know what exactly I'm packing, what they need. If they need a whole tutu, then they get a bow. If they don't need a whole tutu, they don't get a bow. So before, I wasn't printing out my packing slip, but now I decided to print out my packing slip, and I pack it up with the order. So that is really helpful. Now it's time to pack the tutu up, and of course I do put my washing instruction on the tutu as well. And of course the tutu kind of take a minute to get it packed up because I have to make sure I get the fluff right. So I made a video on how to pack your tutu, how to package your tutu. It's a very detailed video. You guys go check my channel, you'll be able to find that, or I'm gonna put in the description box. So that will really help you out. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the pack. I'm just over here talking to my kids because I'm a mother first before any other thing. So dealing with kids and business is not always easy, but we gotta keep on pushing until we cannot anymore. So that's what your girl doing, being a mother and also a entrepreneur. So I love it. I'm not complaining at all. But anyways, I'm gonna just have you guys just watch me pack this order up.
I am done. I'm excited. So I am gonna be taking care of all of these orders, but these other ones are just the one that I can take care of right now, and I'm happy with it. So I don't have enough time, so that's the reason why I just processed these ones, and most of these ones are rush orders. You guys can see you can hear my mom is at the she's over there sewing some tutu socks as well. So but anyways, so I decided to do just those ones over there because it's all rush orders and their birthdays are like in 3 days, so I'm trying to get it out. But all of this here, Daddy, I may be doing them tomorrow. Daddy. Go knock on the door. Door. So all of these ones here, I may be doing all of them tomorrow. Let's see how many I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I have 22 of them here, plus this one here. I want to take pictures of this one. I'm 23. I'm trying to take a picture of this with a tutu because I'm trying to change things up. I'm trying to change the tutu, so I want something different for the tutu. So I'm saving this one to use it, and before I ship it out. So, but anyways, thank you guys for hanging. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, share this video, and I hope this video has been able to motivate you to start your own business if you haven't. And as always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen. Bye bye.